I am someone that tries to look after myself. I was sort of feeling sluggish and bloated. We just sort of shrug it off. I didn't realise there was something so simple.
No, it's fucking
Activia is a really easy thing to do, but it works so well.
Activia with its unique culture visitors at regularly works alongside the good bacterial gut and helps improve slow digestive transit.
Everything's working as it should be working. Yeah, I did really enjoy
Oh.
it. I really like all the flavours as well.
Activia, actively good.
Alright, fucking camera next.
Activia fat-free this summer. All the delicious creamy taste of Activia and it's fat-free. Activia fat-free in raspberry and vanilla.
That fucking there. That is better. Oh, some of the garlic and bread. Garlic bread. No, you bastard. I said ill now. Oh. Ow.
Energy prices all the way to 2011 to help with British Gas, your energy expert.
Play the Daily Mail Team Coffee Break Bingo at mailbingo.com. You could win a house in the sun, holidays, cars, your mortgage for a year, plus weekly guaranteed jackpot of £20,000. And we'll give you £10 to start playing. Go to mailbingo.com for a better class at bingo.
Oh, it's coming.
4 hamburgers and wedges for a fiver. But it's tricky to know. I bet you it isn't. I'll show you. Lovely. Hey guys, hiya. Hope you're hungry.
Okay.
Sainsbury's British lamb, it's made from prime stock, lemon and lamb, best bread. Look, homemade burger.
Oh, now that it's all gone. That is good. And look, I can move my belly. I want my belly. I ate a baby. Thank you, Internet.